Hey there, it's your favorite money-savvy gal, Green Waifu, back with another wild ride through the world of personal finance. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey to discover the secrets of finding and dating rich people. Now let's remember, this is all just for laughs, so don't go quitting your day job to become a gold digger, alright? First things first, let's find where those elusive rich people might hang out. Well, if we were to follow the classic gold digger route, we might head straight to fancy cocktail parties, yacht gatherings, or lavish events where the champagne flows like a river. These upscale soirees are often attended by successful and wealthy individuals, and they can provide opportunities to meet people from diverse industries. But let's step away from the stereotype and look at it more practically. You can find successful and wealthy people in various places. They might be attending business conferences or networking events. These gatherings are perfect for meeting individuals who are passionate about their work and invested in making a difference in the world. High-end restaurants and upscale social clubs can also be frequented by affluent individuals. While dining at these establishments might require a bit more financial splurging, it could offer a chance to meet like-minded people who appreciate fine dining and enjoy engaging in intellectual conversations. Moreover, consider exploring locations where wealth and culture intersect, like art galleries, opera houses, or theater events. Culturally rich environments often attract individuals who have a deep appreciation for the arts and can spark fascinating conversations. Professional associations and exclusive membership clubs can also be treasure troves for connecting with successful individuals. Joining such organizations allows you to interact with people who share common interests, goals, and professional ambitions. Finally, let's not forget the power of the digital world. Online platforms like LinkedIn, where professionals gather to network and showcase their achievements, can be a great way to connect with successful individuals. Engaging in meaningful conversations and sharing valuable insights can make you stand out positively. Now let's dive deeper into the art of small talk and finding those elusive rich individuals. So, when you're mingling at those fancy parties or exclusive events, it's essential to strike up meaningful conversations. Now, you might be tempted to ask about their favorite investment strategies, but hold on. While finance can be intriguing, not everyone is passionate about it. Instead, focus on common hobbies, passions, and dreams. Engage in conversations that reveal the depths of each other's personalities. Talk about things you both enjoy, whether it's art, music, travel, or any other shared interest. By discussing these topics, you can establish a connection on a deeper level. The key here is to be genuinely interested in the other person. Show curiosity and active listening. Ask open-ended questions that allow them to share their thoughts and experiences. This approach helps build trust and rapport, which are crucial in any relationship. Remember, true connections are formed through authentic and open discussions. It's about understanding each other's values, goals, and aspirations. That's the foundation for a meaningful and fulfilling relationship. Now, as a gold digger seeking to find wealthy individuals, it might be tempting to think of material possessions and luxurious lifestyles. But hold on, let's not get carried away. While it's essential to be confident and embrace your uniqueness, being a rich magnet is not about attracting money alone. Instead, focus on attracting like-minded individuals who value personal growth, kindness, and compassion. Seek out people who share similar interests, dreams, and ambitions. Showcase your own goals and aspirations, and let your passion shine through. Passionate and ambitious individuals are drawn to those who are driven and motivated in their own right. So, be true to yourself, and let your authenticity be the guiding light in your journey to connect with people. Let's clarify one thing. We're not talking about being manipulative or seeking someone solely based on their financial status. That's not the way to build a meaningful relationship. Instead, focus on creating genuine connections by getting to know people for who they are, beyond their bank balance. Be genuinely interested in their passions, hobbies, and experiences. Ask about their life stories, their journey to success, and the challenges they've overcome. Listen with empathy and understanding, and show appreciation for their unique perspectives. Remember, a true connection is built on shared values, emotional compatibility, and mutual respect. Finding someone who aligns with your values and supports your dreams is far more valuable than seeking someone solely for their wealth. Let's dive deeper into a real tip that goes beyond just finding rich people. It's about being a problem solver and adding genuine value to others' lives. This is a key aspect of building strong connections, regardless of financial status. Being a compassionate listener is essential. It's about actively engaging with your partner, understanding their needs, dreams, and concerns. Show genuine interest in their passions and goals. By being there for them emotionally and mentally, you'll create a deep bond based on trust and mutual understanding. As a pillar of support, help your partner overcome challenges. Life can be tough, and we all face obstacles at times. By being a reliable and caring partner, you can lend a helping hand and provide encouragement when they need it the most. Supporting them during difficult times will strengthen your connection and show your commitment to the relationship. Additionally, celebrating their successes is equally important. Be their #1 cheerleader when they achieve their goals. No matter how big or small, sharing moments of joy and accomplishment together will create beautiful memories and deepen your emotional connection. Remember, building a meaningful relationship isn't about seeking financial gain. It's about connecting with someone on a deeper level, understanding their values, and appreciating their uniqueness. Alright, it's time to talk fashion and dressing to impress. Now, some might say that to attract rich people, you need to deck yourself out in expensive clothes and designer labels, right? But let's be real here. While dressing well can boost your confidence, it's not the price tag that matters. It's the way you carry yourself. When it comes to fashion, the key is to wear what makes you feel confident and comfortable. It's about finding your own unique style that reflects who you are. Confidence is magnetic, and when you feel good in your outfit, it shows. So, whether you love rocking a chic blazer or prefer a laid-back casual look, own it with pride. When it comes to first impressions, yes, they matter, but not in the way you might think. Instead of focusing on impressing others with your outfit, focus on making a genuine connection. Be friendly, approachable, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. Remember, rich or not, we're all human, and connecting on a personal level is what truly matters. Although it's tempting to be attracted to someone with financial stability, remember, money doesn't define a person's worth. When looking for a partner, look beyond their bank account. Seek someone who is caring, understanding, and shares your values and dreams. Last but not least, let's delve deeper into finding your inner richness. Being rich isn't just about money. It's about nurturing a rich heart, full of compassion, kindness, and love. Embracing your uniqueness and letting your true self shine is the key to attracting like-minded individuals. When it comes to finding rich people, let's have a serious chat for a moment. You might think that targeting individuals based on their financial status is the way to go, but trust me, that's not the path to genuine happiness and fulfillment. Seeking out relationships solely for wealth is a shallow approach that won't lead to long-lasting happiness. Instead, focus on personal growth and becoming the best version of yourself. That's what truly magnetizes people towards you. Cultivate your passions, interests, and skills. Explore your talents and pursue your dreams with passion and dedication. When you exude confidence and self-assurance, others will be naturally drawn to your positive energy. In the quest to find a partner, seek someone who values you for who you are, not what you have. Look for someone who appreciates your uniqueness and shares your core values and aspirations. Remember, genuine connections are built on shared experiences, meaningful conversations, and mutual respect. And there you have it. We've had a blast exploring the wild world of finding and dating rich people. But remember, this is all just a fun ride. In real life, it's about connecting with genuine people who share your values and aspirations. So, let's toss aside those gold digger thoughts and focus on building meaningful relationships with awesome individuals. Be true to yourself. Follow your passions, and the right person will come along, rich or not. If you enjoyed this quirky adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more financial fun. Until next time, stay fabulous, and I'll see you in my next video.